guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know, I will be using a full face of Blue Heaven makeup products. I have so many makeup products from Blue Heaven. Just one thing, there is no eyebrow product, so I will be doing my brows off camera. And if you guys want me to do a updated brow routine, then please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that. And also, I have so many makeup products. I haven't used Blue Heaven makeup products from a really long time. It has been 3 to 4 years. So today I'm very excited because I have so much of Blue Heaven makeup products with me. I have primer, foundation, concealers, powders, blushes, everything. Lipsticks, liners, mascaras, eyeshadows. So anyway, let's just jump into this video and let's try out all the Blue Heaven makeup products I have. Also guys, Blue Heaven is having 15% off on all of their products on their website. So the website link will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. So the first thing I will use is the Blue Heaven primer. This is Studio Perfection Oil-Free Non-Greasy Primer. Okay, this is a silicone based primer. As you can see, I have taken a little bit. Next up is foundation. I have this Florina Collection Silky Smooth Foundation, and I have this Blue Heaven High Coverage Foundation with primer inbuilt. So I think I will use this one today and this one in some other video. I have 4 shades from this Blue Heaven High Coverage Foundation. So there is 01 Creamy Beige, 02 Natural Nude, 03 Sweet Almond, and 04 Caramel Mocha. I think I will try 02 and 3, and I will definitely give this away. So there's a giveaway coming very soon. I am just going to hit 30k very soon, so do subscribe to my channel. This definitely comes with a sponge, so I will also use the sponge today. So let me try out the shades. I think 2 will be perfect for me, but yeah, let's try. This is number 2, this is number 3. What do you guys think? I should definitely go for this one because this is more of dark for me. Guys, I really like the packaging. It's a tube packaging with a pump, and it also has a cap, so I really like the packaging. And also the price of this is 350 rupees, which is so affordable. Yeah, let's just try this one out. And you can see the pump does work. Now coming to the sponge, it's kind of stiff, but it's dry right now, so it has become more bigger and more softer. So I'm excited to try this, but let's try the foundation. The sponge is definitely more stiffer. Honestly, I don't like stiffer sponge. But the coverage of the foundation is really good. So guys, coming to the foundation, it has really given a really nice high coverage. I think because of the sponge, it is soaking a little bit of product. The coverage is still, I would say, medium. But if you use a brush instead of this sponge, or if you use any microfiber sponge, the foundation will give definitely high coverage. So guys, now it's time for concealer. I have 4 shades. I have 01, 02, 05 and 09. So I will be using the shade 09. This concealer also comes with the applicator, so it's really nice. So I have heard this definitely dries down really quickly, so I'm working very quickly. So 09 was the color which is perfect for my skin. So it's not a highlighting concealer to me, but it definitely covered up my dark circles. Now I will go for the shade 02 just to highlight a little bit. So for setting my under eyes, I will be using the Sapphire Blue Heaven Makeup Translucent Powder. I will also use the compact powder to set my full face. Now I'm going to set my face with this Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder. So guys, I did my brows off camera and I have also dusted off my baking powder. Concealer is definitely has removed a little bit of foundation from underneath, and also the powder is a little bit creasing. I mean, the powder coverage is too high, so it's a lot under my eyes. This is something which is bothering me. Anyway, let's move on to the blush. I have this Blue Heaven Signature Professional Vibrant Blush palette, and I have 4 shades in this. So definitely I'm going for this shade. It's more of my shade. So let's try this shade out. The color is very beautiful, you guys, and it's blending out really nicely. So I don't have any contour or bronzer from this Blue Heaven, so I'm skipping that, but I don't have highlighter. But if I don't apply highlighter, my face will look really flat, so I am using a highlighter from a different brand. So my base is done. I think my base looks really nice. Just I am a little bit worried about my under eyes. Anyway, let's skip that. Let's move on to my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I have this Blue Heaven Signature Vibrant Eyeshadow Palette and this Blue Heaven Eye Magic Instant Eyeshadow. It's a palette as well, small palette. So I will be using this, not this. The palette actually looks like this. It has matte shades. So I will be doing something bluish. Let's do bluish because it's Blue Heaven. I am wearing blue because I am using Blue Heaven products. So let's do something blue and gold. I have this Blue Heaven liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Golden Limelight. So for my crease, I am using this shade, the middle one. It's a beautiful transition shade. So I'm using that on my crease, and it is very nicely pigmented, as you can see. Using it also on my lower lash line. So next up, I'm taking this blue shade and I'm going to apply that on my outer corner of my eye. Also applying it just on the inner corner. Let's just blend that shade on my crease. Also going to apply that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply the liquid eyeshadow just on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm just going to blend out the corners so that it looks seamless. Also applying it at the center on my lower lash line. So for kajal, I have 2 shades. One is black and one is green. I think I will go for the green shade. Let's just try. The green is a very beautiful dark green. I really like this shade. Now I also have this Longwear Sketch Eyeliner pen. So let's try this one as well. And the packaging looks like this. It's a really innovative packaging and the pigmentation is really good. So let's just apply a little bit of eyeliner. I'm not going for any wing or anything. Just on the lash line. Now let's try this Walk Free Waterproof Long Lash Mascara. So this is how the packaging looks like and I really like the wand. Oh my god. Let's just try. Oh wow. Guys, the wand is really good, but it's too watery. I am going to apply some falsies. Let's do this eye off camera and I will be back and I will try some lipsticks. I have so many lipsticks, so yeah. So guys, for lipsticks, I have 2 options. This is the liquid lipsticks and these are the bullet lipsticks. So let's try, I think let's try the liquid lipsticks today. So I'm going for the shade 08. It's a very chocolatey brown shade. I think the shade is very chocolatey and very pretty. So I am going with the shade number 5. I think this shade is looking really pretty with this eye makeup. What do you guys think? Should I change up the lip color? Let's try a darker shade. I think this shade is looking really pretty as well. This is the shade 706 Velvet Maroon. Yeah, it's a pretty shade, you guys. So you guys, this is my final look using Blue Heaven makeup products, and I think I'm very happy with all the products. Just one thing, if you're using the concealer, be very quick. It dries down extremely fast. And other than the mascara is good, but the mascara is a little bit more liquidy, so after 2 or 3 use it will be very good. And the eyeshadows blended really nicely. The blush pigmentation is really good. Even the lipsticks I have tried today is really comfortable on the lips, and yeah, I really enjoyed creating this look and using all the Blue Heaven makeup products. I actually forgot I have a setting spray, so let's try this one as well. So this is the Mist Spray on Formula Makeup Fixer. So let's try this. I almost forgot that I have this. So guys, this is my final look. I absolutely love this look, and that eyes and this lips complements each other very well. So let me know if you guys like this look or not, and if you want to buy any Blue Heaven makeup products, just go for it, because they are having 15% off, and the price of these are very affordable as well. And I am going to mention the link where you can buy this in the description box below. 15% off, you guys. Do check out their page. And also guys, if you want me to review any of the Blue Heaven makeup products I have used today, let me know in the comment section below. I may try the foundation out and I can do a review for you guys, or the concealer or the lipsticks. Just let me know which review you want to see. So guys, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.